Hi, my name's Cody. I just finished Matt's online course. Man, fantastic. It was incredible value. Matt, he lines everything out for you. He gives you the resources you need to execute whatever plan that you decide to take and making money on YouTube. He shows you multiple ways that you can make money on YouTube. And his course makes it very easy to learn and understand what most experts on YouTube, there's a lot of tips and tricks and secrets that a lot of experts don't even know that he teaches you. So overall, I'd give it an 11 out of 10. It's great also because YouTube is, I believe Matt's right when he says it's one of the best business opportunities on the internet, if not the best, and I believe that it is the best opportunity right now. So just wanted to say thanks, Matt. Your course was incredible.
This is my review of Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr. This video is going to be a short summary of what this course teaches and some of the pros and cons, so you can decide if this course is right for you or not. Now, as an introvert, I really don't like showing myself on camera, so I wanted to get this course to learn how to make money on YouTube without showing my face or making my own videos. And as an affiliate, I do have a link to the course in this video description below if you want to go see more about it. One of the great things about this course is when you sign up, you can become an affiliate, and the commission is 50%. And last time I checked, the course is selling at $450, so if you can get just 2 people to buy, then the course will have paid for itself. The course does have a section on affiliate marketing, and that is the niche I chose for this channel. You will learn in this course if you choose to get into the business, affiliate marketing, or make money online niche, that you will get super high ad rates, and promoting high-ticket digital products is a great way to make money on YouTube. Since I have watched the whole course twice, I will now give you an overview of what to expect. A lot of this course is about how to make top 5 and 10 list channels, and also personal brand channels. The first section of videos is mainly about choosing a niche for a YouTube channel, which could be the most important decision you will have to make. Certain niches will get much higher ad rates, like health and fitness, technology, product reviews, and movies, because more companies want to advertise products related to these types of videos. In the course, you get a list of 100 different high-earning niches, and the best thing to do is choose one that either you are interested in or have some knowledge about. Some of the profitable niches are cooking, fitness, video games, celebrities, home improvement, politics, finance, dating advice, and I won't go through the whole list, but one niche I chose is the channel you're watching now, which is going to be about print on demand and affiliate marketing. My first video review about Tube Mastery and Monetization got 66 views on the first day I uploaded it, and one of the things you learn in this course is how to find topics that have high search volume but low competition. If you can find something a lot of people are searching for, and there are a few videos about that thing, such as reviews of courses, you will get an instant boost of views. When I was making politics videos on one of my other channels, one thing I would do to get views is wait for a news story to be released, and then upload a video as soon as possible. Sometimes I got hundreds of thousands of views by being one of the first to make a YouTube video about that news story, because not very many other people had videos about it yet. I don't do that anymore because the channel got demonetized for reusing content, because I reposted news clips. But one of the gold nuggets in this course is it teaches you how you can use video clips you do not own in a way that is considered fair use, so you can still monetize your videos and have a far less chance of your video getting claimed or your YouTube channel getting demonetized. If you only use short clips, then you will be much safer if you keep your clips shorter than 13 seconds and you add commentary over the video clips you use. Then YouTube will see you have added value to the original clips, and you should be safe. I think possibly the most important and useful part of this course is the training on keyword research. Matt shows how to use a tool called vidIQ to research the best and most popular keywords, so you can take the guesswork out of what kinds of videos to make. In the past, I wasted a lot of time making videos I thought would get views, and they got nothing for all my efforts. So the vidIQ keyword research tool is a very useful thing to have for researching video ideas. In the training, you will see how to use vidIQ to come up with a list of keywords that get a large number of views with low competition, and then how to use this list of keywords for video ideas. This will increase the chances of you getting views because you'll be making videos about topics which are proven to get views. Now vidIQ does cost $7.50 per month for the Pro plan, but this is one of the only paid tools recommended in the course. So now I want to go over some pros and cons of this course, starting with pros. 1. It is a long course packed with information to help you succeed. This course has 36 videos and it is over 5 hours long, so you will likely need to watch the course a few times for it to really sink in. 2. When you join, you can become an affiliate for the course and get 50% for each sale. So while you are waiting to get monetized on YouTube, you could be making money on YouTube by reviewing this course. 3. You get to be part of the Tube Mastery and Monetization Facebook group, which now has over 300 members. You can ask questions in this group, and Matt does actively answer questions. 4. The course shows you how to build a channel from the ground up, from start to finish, A to Z. It does a good job of showing how to do good search engine optimization for channels and videos. For the cons, 1. If you do not want to make your own videos, then you will have to pay other people to make them for you by going to places like Upwork or Fiverr. Outsourcing videos is a big part of this course, and if you don't have much money to spend on voiceovers, script writing, video editing, or video thumbnails, or any other things involved in video creation, then you will have to do these things yourself. 2. If you do not have an interesting personality and don't have much skill talking on camera, then most YouTube niches will be hard for you to succeed with, because in order to add value to videos on YouTube, they really want you to talk over your third-party footage. While there are some channels that have no talking, such as relaxing music, painting and drawing, or white noise sound channels, most kinds of YouTube channels will need to have a voice to succeed. 3. This course is not always beginner friendly because it does get technical in some parts, and you need to be smart to get the most out of what you will learn. The course will guide you, but you will have to get into the driver's seat and decide where to go with it. In summary, this course will be helpful if you have a strong motivation to succeed, if you're prepared to invest the time and money into your channel to make it grow, and if you have the drive and determination to keep going until you get results. Now, if you're the type of person that loses interest in things quickly, if you don't have a good personality to record yourself talking, and if you do not have the money to pay other people to help make your videos, or if you are not ready to invest $7.50 a month into vidIQ so you can figure out the best videos to make, then this course may not be for you. If you are not ready to get the course yet, then I still recommend you watch Matt's YouTube videos because he makes videos about some of the same things that are in the course. If you want to read more about it, check the link in the description below, and thanks for watching.